Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share the recipe of chili chicken. Come, let's cook. First, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, add salt as per taste, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. If you want more outer covering for the chicken, you can add or increase the amount of corn flour and all-purpose flour. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to it and mix it well. Now add the chicken pieces. Mix it well and marinate it for 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, we are going to fry the chicken. After, in another kadai, add finely chopped ginger and garlic, one sliced onion. You should cut the onion in this shape, means square shape. Salt as per taste. Make sure to cook on high flame and mix it well. This is a mixture of soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato sauce, each 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. One tablespoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. Add 1 sliced capsicum. Make sure to cut the capsicum also in the square shape or triangle shape. Cook on high flame, and now we can add the pieces of chicken which we have fried. Mix it well. Now add the mixture of corn flour plus water. In this, I have added 2 tablespoons of corn flour in 1 cup of water. This adds thickness to the gravy of chicken. If you want more gravy, you can add more water to it. And add half teaspoon of sugar. Cook for about 10 minutes. And switch off the flame. Here, the tasty chili chicken is ready.